right, so here we are, Saturday morning, leaving a little early. Usually we leave on a Sunday, have a day to relax between going back to work. We're getting all packed up, getting everything on the bike. We're gonna go head out for some breakfast and hit the road today. It's cool, the coolest day of the week. There's a little moisture in the air, but it's not bad. It's not really raining yet. Hopefully we won't hit any rain, and we should have clear travel when we get south of here. So, all right, we're gonna hit the road. We ended up having to get a tire installed, so we purchased one here at JP Cycles, and we're waiting to get the clearance to come in and get this thing installed. So hopefully so we can get on the road. Getting some tires put on up on the lift. Okay, here we are, Ambrosia Diner, exit 19 on Northway. It's like 1 o'clock, we're gonna have breakfast. We just got the tire installed and we're on our way home. As soon as we get done here, gas up and try to get a couple of 100 miles under our belt. So, see you on the road. Well, we haven't been filming. We've been riding the roads and a lot of threat of rain. Even though we didn't get rained on, a lot of spritzing going on, so I didn't take the camera out of the tour pack. So we stopped here at the top of Garden State Parkway again. We're gonna have a couple of snacks, some coffee. It's pretty cold out, between 61 and 68 degrees all day. Trying to stay warm and getting some miles down, so we did pretty good considering. We should be home within another 45 minutes to an hour. Leaving the rest area, gonna get back on the road.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Good old Red Baron waiting, resting. All right. Okay, we arrived at home for a total trip of 1,026 miles. Americade week is done. Bike's in the garage. Now all we got to do is unpack.